We're at the National Pavement Expo in Fort Lauderdale, 2014, and I'm with Clark Word, who's going to talk about Schwarze's updraft sweeper. And just to show that that is indeed what we're talking about, there we go. Look at this nicely lettered, logoed, wrapped unit. So,
thank you, Ranger. This is our new one of our new units. It's the Supervac updraft. It's our new twin engine sweeper. It's a 2-yard capacity sweeper with a secondary engine, a 31 horsepower Kohler electronic fuel injected engine. This sweeper is new for us. It's mounted on 3 different chassis. It comes on the Chevrolet half-ton chassis, Toyota half-ton chassis, or the Ford half-ton chassis, which is something new for us. You notice inside we have a real small, compact control panel with a nice linear throttle. You're able to keep a lot of leg room in the truck, and controls are easy to get to.
all right.
The sweeper's being mounted on the half-ton 6-cylinder chassis gives you a lot better fuel consumption than what we used to run on the 3/4 ton truck. Down here we have a 2-segment curved broom with an LED light to shine on the broom at night, make it easy to see it. Here we have an enclosed toolbox. This also has an LED light inside it where it will light up at night to put your any tools you may need.
Which we can't light up because you can't have batteries hooked up on the show floor.
That's correct. Our sweeping head here is 89 inches wide. We have a 25-gallon water tank for dust control located here. The fan is a 24-inch Schwarze whisper wheel fan. Again, the hopper is 2 cubic yards. It's constructed of 304 stainless steel, and it is all welded construction. The inspection doors on each side and the screen are also stainless steel. Our door latches they're mounted on the outside to keep corrosion and dirt out, and they're also stainless steel. In the rear, we also have storage trays on each side of the unit. We also have tubes that run across the frame of the truck where you can slide rakes and shovels.
See if we can see through to the other side, since there aren't any rakes or shovels in there at the moment.
In the rear we have all LED lighting.
Boy, LEDs have sure come to the fore, and what a good invention those were.
They certainly are. Last a lot longer.
A lot long lasting.
On this side we have an air bleeder where you can control the airflow across your sweeping head. This helps you control the sweeping conditions. If you're sweeping heavy debris or lighter debris, you can just open or close the bleeder door. It just gives you better sweeping capabilities under whatever conditions you need. This is a shot here of the Kohler engine. It's a 2-cylinder 31 horsepower Kohler electronic fuel injected engine. Comes with a 3-year unlimited hour warranty. The unit dumps hydraulically, so basically you just back up to a dumpster, you hit your dump switch, and the hopper will raise up and dump all of your debris into the hopper.
Well, I'll tell you, it looks like a racetrack sweeper with the way you have it logoed up. And
it does, yeah. The 40 on the door of the truck is just for the 40th year anniversary of Schwarze Industries being in business.
Well, very nice.
Now over here, Ranger, we have another new product. It's the Schwarze, the Supervac Aero HD high dump. We've had the Aero, used to be called the PV2. It's been on the market since the late 80s, but now we've turned it into the Supervac Aero with a high dump. So now it will high dump into the back of a dumpster. This is a new product for us. This sweeper is also mounted on the, it'll come again on the Chevrolet, the Ford, or the Toyota half-ton chassis, 6-cylinder. The sweeper is made out of heavy-duty polyethylene. Again, the particular material of that hopper, we've had that out since the late 80s. We still have those units in the field, so that's basically an indestructible hopper.
Yeah, we had one that I took pictures of that was one of the first units of these that happened to be at the dump when I was dumping, and he was dumping, and I was taking a load of stuff to the dump, and it was amazing what kind of shape that was in. Still be running.
Yeah, this is a 2.5-yard hopper. The sweeping head is located in the rear end of the truck. Again, has all LED lighting in the back.
Do you know how wide that sweeping head is?
89 inches.
Well, I think the high dump capability of that will be a winner with a lot of folks.
It will be, and it gives us, you know, for landscapers and landscape contractors and people like that who don't sweep on a full-time basis, but still need a good economical machine that high dumps into a dumpster. This is a very good option for them. The sweeper, the engine that operates the sweeper, it's the same as on the updraft. It's the 31 horsepower Kohler engine. Has the same 24-inch whisper wheel fan. Has the same dumping system, electric hydraulic as the updraft has.
Mm-hmm.
The control panel inside is the same as the updraft.
And what kind of chassis are we looking at here?
This particular chassis is the Ford F-150.
Mm-hmm. I don't know that we have enough light to really see what that is, but I'm sure you can find it on the Schwarze website.
This unit also being made out of the polyethylene is quite a bit lighter than some of the other units, so it'll give you a little bit better fuel consumption in operating the unit.
I noticed that it says it's a prototype there on the front. Are these machines readily available yet?
They're not available yet, Ranger. We expect to have these out on the market starting around the 1st of April.
Okay.
The Aero High Dump also has the same 2-segment curb room system set up as our other low-profile sweepers. The Aero High Dump as well as the updraft are low profile. They're 68 inches high, which will allow them to fit into most any parking garage structure. Also has a 25-gallon water tank, same water tank system as we have on the Super Vac updraft.
Will these be available with any type of curb broom or blower system?
It will. You'll have the option either of the curb broom that we have here, or you can get a curb blower with it as well. Yeah.
I misspoke. You just talked about the curb broom, but I wondered about the curb blower.
Yes.
Some people prefer a curb blower. I really have no idea why.
Yeah. This unit's also got some storage trays on each side where you can put maybe some tools, gas cans, any assorted tools you may need to take with you on your sweeping rod.
Mm-hmm.
And this particular unit dumps up to 80 inches high.
Well, it seems like you have the market pegged for that, for backup sweeper, or for people that are in the auxiliary business that just do sweeping part-time and so forth.
That's correct. For low-cost, low-profile sweepers, either the Super Vac Aero High Dump or the Super Vac Updraft are great choices.
Well, let's finish off with how you get hold of Schwarze Industries.
You can reach Schwarze Industries at 1-800-879-7933. Any questions, anything we can do for you, please give us a call.
All right, and That's how you spell Schwartz, and it's schwartz.com. Easy to find. Thanks a lot, Clark.
Thank you, Roger.